Hi, today I'm going to talk about face packs. Okay, and also there could be face masks. If it's anything that hardens and you have to remove it like a mask, it becomes a face mask. And if you just have to, if it's soft and remains soft and you wipe it off, it is called a face pack. Okay, now I feel it is very, very important to use a face pack at least once a week or whenever you're going out. Now, what is the use of a face pack? Firstly, why I like to use a face pack is that when I'm going out, I like to just brighten my clothes. Like when I'm going out, I'll iron my clothes, isn't it? We all iron our clothes. So when you put a face pack, it's the same. It's like giving it that lovely, refreshing look that you need on your skin. So it really helps to refresh you, make you feel fresh, make your skin glow, and whatever it is that you want. Now one is a face pack just like that, where we can use, we can use a fruit pack, we can use a gel pack, we can use a seaweed pack. Those are just to brighten your face and make you look good when you're going out. The other kind of packs that we have again in the market, we have a different set of packs for every type of skin. Now for a younger skin, I always recommend that they use a mud pack, because that is excellent for their pores, for their oiliness, for acne that it's coming up. So a mud pack will be wonderful for them to use, and they can just mix it with a little water, mix it with rose water, something else I really like to use with it, and then apply it on the skin. This helps to close the pores and gives it a very nice, fresh, wonderful feel. The next kind of packs that we have packs for different things, like I told you. You have pigmentation, we have a pack for pigmentation. We have lots of packs for pigmentation. So you can use this pack for pigmentation, and it's used twice a week or 3 times a week, and it definitely helps your skin. Then you have packs that brighten your face and remove a tan. So that is another wonderful pack to use, especially if you've been out in the sun and you have to go out. This is another pack that is excellent. The third kind, the other packs are, you can use for fine lines and wrinkles. Again, we have the firming packs, which are very good. They firm the skin and they really help your fine lines and wrinkles. And of course, so we have packs to brighten the skin. We have packs to close your pores. We have packs to, help your pigmentation. We have packs for under eyes also, which really help the dark circles. So there again, a pack is a wonderful thing to use. Now, when you're using a pack, don't just use it on your face. Try to use it from your shoulders up to the hairline. So that again is wonderful. Again, you can use a pack on, if you have pigmentation on your hands, you have it on your neck, use a face pack especially for that and use it regularly. You will find that is definitely going to help the pigmentation. Also, if you have a very dry skin, now this is something which we are having and we face a lot, especially in summer, dry summer, hot dry summer, or in winter. You can use a seaweed pack. Now a seaweed pack is a wonderful pack to use, and that gives deep hydration. The other pack, that if you want to brighten your skin, you can use a pack that's got oxygen in it. That helps to give your skin oxygen, especially if your skin is very tired. Use this pack for about 15-20 minutes and you will find that your skin will start looking revived and start glowing again. Then we have overnight packs where you put the pack on and go to sleep. Just say you're traveling and your skin is very tired, you can use a pack which has oxygen in it, and you can use a pack which has, seaweed in it. It really helps to, hydrate your skin and also helps to brighten your skin. So a pack is something, don't go traveling or in your house or you should always have a face pack, because that really, really works. And also nowadays We also have body packs, which are excellent. You can just apply it all over and then have a shower, and you're going to find that there again, it's going to help you feel good. And whatever you want, whatever type of skin there is, whatever treatment you need, we have packs for every type of skin and every type of treatment. So, and every age. So I recommend that we use a pack like we iron our clothes. Use a pack to refresh your skin, and you're going to have a beautiful glowing skin.